Hello world, it's Devi. Today I'm doing a Christmas themed nail art. So grab your polishes and let's start with it. First step, to apply base coat on your nail to protect them and let it dry. Then paint your ring fingernail with blue color glitter nail polish and rest of the fingernail with silver color nail polish with glitters in it. So for the first nail art, you're gonna need snowflakes. So to make snowflakes, you're gonna need a plastic sheet and paint a square or a rectangle of silver color nail polish on that plastic sheet. Then apply a coat of a chunky glitter nail polish on a silver color and then finish it off with a generous amount of top coat and let it dry for a day, and then peel that square or rectangle off that plastic sheet. To cut the snowflakes, you're gonna need a snowflake design cutter and place that silver square in a cutter and make snowflakes, and then apply a clear nail polish on blue color fingernail and stick the snowflakes, and that's it. So for the other nail design, you're gonna need a dotting tool. Now we are making Santa hats. So with red color nail polish, first make a V on a nail and then join the 2 points to make the triangle. Then with white color nail polish, make white stripe at the bottom of triangle and make a dot on top of the triangle to complete the hat. And voila, you will end up with 2 simple nail designs for Christmas. Now in the end, apply top coat to give some shine to your nail art. And that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.